woman beautiful fancy top. Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel Fashion Fables. Today we are diving into the world of woman fashion and exploring the hottest trends fancy top. Whether you are hitting the tone for a girls' night out or simply want to add a touch of glamour to your everybody look, a fancy top can instantly elevate your style game. And trust me, there are so many fabulous options of there to choose from. First up, talk about top are perfect for adding some sparkle and shine to any outfit. They are great of parties, special occasions, or whenever you are just on the mood to stand out and dazzle. Next we have ruffles. Ruffle tops are ultra feminine and add a romantic touch to your ensemble. Whether it's a suitable ruffles along the neckline or a democrat exceeds down to sleeves, this trend is all about embarrassing your inner girly girl. The classic, a staple in every fashion forward woman wardrobe. These silky tops are not only incredible versatility but also often lethargic. Wear them alone for a silk and sophisticated look, overlay them under a blazer or a crading to add a elegance. And let's not go forget about leg. Leg top acute elegance and sophistication like on others with intricate detailing and delicate craftsmanship. They are perfect for adding a touch of vintage inspired charm of any outfit look. Last but not latest, we have statement blouse. From bold prints to vibrant colors, these tops are about making a statement and expressive your unique season of style. Pair them with jeans for a classic yet chic look, or dress them with a puff skirt or a trouser for a more polished vibe. So there you have it, fashions, the ultimate guide to woman fancy top. Which style is the your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion tips and trendies. Until next time, stay fabulous.